Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Essential steps to ensure your car is ready to drive. Ever wondered if your car is truly ready for the road? Regular car maintenance isn't just about extending your vehicle's life, it's crucial for your safety. Picture this. You're running late for work or setting off on a long-awaited road trip, only to face a flat tire, dead battery, or worse. These common issues don't just ruin your plans, they can lead to dangerous situations. In this video, we'll cover essential steps to ensure your car is in top shape before you hit the road. From checking tire pressure to inspecting fluid levels, these simple checks can save you from unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Stay with us to learn how to keep your ride smooth and safe. Regular maintenance checks. Keeping your car in top condition means regular maintenance checks. These simple inspections can help you avoid breakdowns and ensure a smooth ride. Below, we'll cover some essential maintenance checks you can do yourself. Oil and fluid levels. Maintaining the right levels of oil and other fluids is like making sure your body gets enough water. It keeps your engine running smoothly. Here's how to do it. Engine oil. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and pull it out again. Check the oil level against the marked lines. If it's low, add oil, but don't overfill. Coolant. Open the hood and locate the coolant reservoir. Make sure the level is between the minimum and maximum lines. Brake fluid. The brake fluid reservoir is typically near the back of the engine bay. Check the level without opening the cap, to avoid contamination. Transmission fluid. This is often checked with a dipstick like engine oil, but consult your owner's manual for specifics. Windshield washer fluid. This one's easy. Just open the cap and pour in fluid until it's full. These fluid checks take just a few minutes but can save you a lot of trouble later. Tire condition and pressure. Your tires are the only part of your car that touch the road, so their condition is crucial. Here's what you need to do. Check tire pressure. Use a tire pressure gauge to check each tire, including the spare. Refer to the recommended pressure outlined in your car's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door. Tread depth. Place a penny into the tire's tread grooves with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, the tread is too low, and it's time to replace the tire. Inspect for wear and tear. Look for uneven tread wear, cuts, bulges, or any foreign objects. Uneven wear may indicate alignment issues or suspension problems. Proper tire maintenance not only ensures a smooth ride but also saves you money on fuel and extends the life of your tires. Battery health. A healthy battery is crucial for starting your car and running its electrical systems. Here's how to check it. Check charge level. If you have a voltmeter, you can measure your battery's voltage. A fully charged battery should read about 12.6 volts or higher. Open the hood and inspect the battery terminals. If you see white, chalky residue, it's corrosion. You can clean it using a mixture of baking soda and water, along with a small brush. Regular battery checks help prevent inconvenient and potentially hazardous breakdowns. Regular maintenance checks are more than just routine tasks, they're the heartbeat of a reliable vehicle. By staying on top of these simple inspections, you keep your car road ready and yourself safe. Safety checks. Ensuring your car's safety is essential for a smooth and secure drive. Conducting regular safety checks helps prevent accidents and keeps you and your passengers safe on the road. Below, we'll walk through some key safety inspections you should perform regularly. Brakes. Your car's brakes are crucial for stopping safely. Here's how to inspect them. Brake pads. Look through the wheel spokes to see the brake pad. It should be at least 1/4 inch thick. If it's thinner, it's time to replace them. Rotors. Run your finger along the rotor surface. It should be smooth, with even wear. If you feel grooves or rough spots, your rotors may need resurfacing or replacing. Brake fluid levels. Locate the brake fluid reservoir, usually near the back of the engine bay. Make sure the fluid level is between the min and max lines. If it's low, add the recommended brake fluid type. Lights and signals. Working lights and signals are vital for visibility and communication with other drivers. Here's how to check them. Headlights. Turn on your headlights and walk around the car to ensure both high beams and low beams are working. Brake lights. Have a friend press the brake pedal while you check that all brake lights illuminate. Turn signals. Activate each turn signal, front and back, to make sure they flash correctly. Hazard lights. Turn on your hazard lights to ensure all 4 indicators are flashing. Mirrors and windshield. Clear visibility is key to safe driving. Make sure your mirrors and windshield are in good condition. Adjust your side and rear view mirrors so you have a clear view with minimal blind spots. They should be clean and free from cracks. Windshield. Inspect for any cracks or chips. Even small cracks can spread and compromise your visibility. Wiper blades. Check the wiper blades for any signs of wear or stiffness. If they leave streaks on your windshield, it's time to replace them. By conducting these safety checks, you ensure your vehicle is ready for the road. Regular inspections help catch issues early, allowing you to address them before they become major problems. Stay safe and drive with confidence knowing your car is in top condition. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore additional steps to keep your car running smoothly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.